Hey guys, I want to do a little quick video on a new mini bike that I got. This is the Coleman CT200U EX. It's a rugged, durable off-road mini bike built for adventure on the trail or around the farm. This mini bike has a 196 cc engine that equals out to a 6.5 horsepower centrifugal clutch engine. Now there's no electronics on this mini bike at all, so this mini bike will be EMP proof. No circuit boards, no nothing. The front headlight runs off the engine magneto, so there's no electronics on it. It's a pull start. Very nice. Now this is a large mini bike. I don't know if the video is doing it justice, but you can't see, but this is a large mini bike. Like I said, it's a pull recoil start. Has two oversized tires. Very nice. This is not a mini bike for a small child. I'm recommending this mini bike for at least people 16 years of age and older. It has a weight capacity of 200 pounds for it, so it will handle an adult. I have ridden this. It is very nice, very durable. Bunch of videos on YouTube on this doing off-road, going through the woods and over stuff. Very durable. 5.5 inch clearance. Let's see, the tires. Tires are 19 by 7 by 8. Same thing for the back, 19 by 7 by 8. Nice, comfortable seat. Now this right here, this is not a gas tank. This is a storage unit. Plenty of storage down in there. You can fit a lot of things in there. The camouflage color I like, very cool. Rear brake, it only has a 1 drum rear brake. There's no brake on the front wheel. Throttle, headlight, like I said, 6.5 horsepower engine. All right, let's see if we can start this thing up. Start it up, you have to hit the switch up here. Alright, pull starter down here. Let's see if we can get this on one pull. Let me try putting the choke on a little bit, that might help. There we go. It's very quiet. When you start it up, the front headlight comes on. Does not have any kind of rear headlight, rear tail light or anything. Now you can see the headlight on the door right there. Like I said, it's ran off the magneto on the engine. When you give it a little gas, the headlight gets brighter. You can see that. I'm going to take you around front. So yeah, this little, well not little, this large mini bike I think would be perfect for an EMP situation. Lights go out, power goes down, at least you have a mode of transportation, get you around. Very nice, well worth it. Got it at Tractor Supply Company. They're a little expensive, but not too bad. Go check them out, very good investment. Alright guys, see you later, thanks.